laying down it to compile it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing some extreme cleaning, realistic messes, organizing, and uplifting motherhood. As a mom of 3, I have a 5-year-old, 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old. It can get hard to stay motivated with those repetitive tasks that we do as stay-at-home moms, homemakers, and work-at-home moms. Overall, this video is going to give you that motivation to get up and get something done. In today's video, you will be inspired to do some deep cleaning. We do hit the fridge, the bathrooms, the kitchen, just everyday hotspots that we tackle on a daily. So I hope this video gives you that motivation to get up and get something done. Let me know in the comments below where you're from, and let's get started.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead.
Moving on to my fridge, this is definitely a hot spot in our kitchen. Sometimes we overlook these things that we use so often, and so I'm going to go in, wipe everything down, clean every shelf, and just give it some extra love that it desperately needs. I love organizing my fridge in containers and making sure everything is in its place. I didn't get these containers all at once. I did get them one at a time. I'm definitely going to link them below in the description box. I absolutely love the eggs in an egg container. It's definitely not necessary, but if you love the aesthetic, definitely you will love it. I know I do. So I'm just going to be wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth and using my Mrs. Meyer's spray and just getting things cleaned out. Anything that's expired, I'm going to be throwing away and just making sure everything's fresh and prepped.
I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the
Now putting everything back, I'm just going to organize it in a little bit of a different way. This will probably be the last time that you see Monster energy drinks in my fridge, because I have convinced my husband to try a healthier alternative for his body. I feel like energy drinks can be so harmful. I mean, to each their own, but it just freaks me out, some of the videos I've seen on TikTok lately about people who drink energy drinks and just the things that it can do to your body. A crazy story, one time I was coming home from a tattoo expo with my husband, and a Rockstar energy drink happened to leak in one of our bags when we were doing the Rockstar tour thing, and it actually ate through the plastic of the shirts, which was crazy, because it's like, if it can eat through plastic, what in the world is it doing inside of our bodies, you know? But that's enough of that crazy talk. I'm organizing the doors, getting things cleaned up, and then we'll prep some fruit.
You remember I call you. You were talking a riddle.
We are going to be soaking some strawberries and blueberries in some vinegar for about 20 minutes, and I just love this. All prepped and ready to go.
Miss the illusion you pretended to be. I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust? What about all this time you looked in my eyes, babe? What about
I absolutely love using Dawn dish soap on my stove. It gets off all the grease and all the grime. I'm also going to be soaking and cleaning all the covers on my stove. I have toddlers and little ones, and so safety first. So these little covers I found on Amazon, you guys, and they are a lifesaver. My little one, who is 1 year old, loves to come up and she would turn the knob and it would like start the gas, and it was so scary. So I found these knobs and I've been using them for years. They work so well. So I'm just going to be soaking them, as well as the top pieces, to the actual stove burners in some Dawn dish soap and some water. Let that kind of do the job for me as I'm cleaning the actual stove top and getting all of that taken care of, as well as the microwave. Then I'm going to be replacing everything and wiping it down with a stainless steel shine wipe.
I'm not acting crazy. I just said we're through. Baby, you gave a lot. What about trust?
moving on to the bathroom. This is such a hot mess and I'm taking care of it today with you guys. I'm going to be cleaning everything, saving the organization for another video because I want to do underneath the sinks with some really cool containers, so I don't have those yet. But when I do, we are definitely going to be doing it together. First off, I'm going to be removing like all the products from my shower, cleaning those products and scrubbing the shower. I'm going to be spraying some vinegar and Dawn on the doors, letting that soak, and I'm also going to be trying the pink stuff to get off some buildup grime that was on the showers I've been putting off since we've moved in. We're going to be tackling that today and I'm really excited about it because it really needed it. I'm letting the Dawn and vinegar sit on the doors for 20 minutes. In the meantime, while things are soaking, I'm going to head over to the toilet room, take off all of the stuff off the shelvings, dusting, and getting my shower and toilet cleaned. I'm going to be putting all the toiletry items on the shelf in a wicker basket. I think this looks just so cute and more aesthetic. I'm going to be wiping down the window and removing everything out of the toilet room so that I can clean the toilet. I am going to be using the Scrubby Bubbles product. It's probably really bad for the environment and toxic, but you guys, it really cleans really good. So at your own risk with that one, okay, friends? I definitely like the disposable stuff, but sometimes I feel like you just need to scrub it. You know what I mean? Like, so that's what I did today. It just needed to be scrubbed. I love disposables, but today, your girl was scrubbing. I also removed the caps that attaches the toilet seat to clean under that. We sometimes forget to do that, and I don't do it every time, but when I know I haven't done it in a while, I will remove it and clean underneath it. It just gets everything so nice and clean that's been built up. Next, I'm going to be using a dryer sheet to pick up all the extra dust that's on the floor. You guys, oh my god, what in the world is happening? I'm definitely going to up how many times I do this because this was too much in between. Yeah, but if you use a dryer sheet, everything off the bottom of the toilet comes off so well and it picks up everything on the trimming, and it's just an easy, amazing little hack. We are going to tackle these dreaded shower doors with the pink stuff. I cannot say so many things about this product. It is so good. I absolutely love it, and using this brush really helped get some grime. I also went in and used my Bissell steamer. I did not film that on camera because it came a couple days after I filmed this video, but it really helped pick up a lot of the buildup. So if you're looking for a Bissell steamer, it was the best $30 I've ever spent in my life, and I am going to show you guys how amazing it is in an upcoming video for the window seals. You're going to be blown away. But if you have not picked up the pink stuff or tried it yet, you have to try it. It is so good. It works wonders, and I can't say enough good things about it, you guys. It's so good. But a lot of this buildup rust has been here since we moved in. It's definitely an older home, but it's fine. It can definitely use the love, and it has so much potential. When I used the Bissell steamer, I actually removed the shower doors, and that made a whirlwind of a difference. So if you're able to remove the shower doors to scrub, definitely try that. It works so good. I'm going to be going in and hitting the shower doors with my Scrub Daddy shower brush. It dispenses Dawn dish soap, and after this has sat for about 20 minutes, it makes just all the soap scum fall right off the shower doors. I love to do this as I'm showering, but some days it's like hair wash day. I am absolutely not scrubbing the shower because I'm so focused on washing my hair and all the other good things. So I am definitely going in with some vinegar on the shower head, scrubbing this shower holder that we found from Target. I love it. It's so good. And I'm also going to be going in on the walls, the floors, and everything in the shower just to give it a good scrub and a fresh clean. vinegar and Dawn dish soap are my favorite shower cleaners. It works so well.
Sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverage.
After shining the bathroom doors, I'm going to be vacuuming up all the dander on the floor from just dust and buildup. I'm also going to be trying a new toilet press-on. It's the Lysol brand, and this is so awesome. It smells so good, you guys. I normally use the Scrubby Bubbles brand, and I must say I actually like the Lysol better. I love that it's less product, it smells better, and that it's pink. How cute. We're gonna start working on the countertops and scrubbing every sink, the countertops, clearing it off, and using the spray away for the mirror. We're gonna work our way down. So after I finish the mirror cleaning, I'm going to do the countertops, scrub everything really nice and thorough, get everything cleaned off and as minimal as possible. I feel like less is more. A cool trick you can do is spray vinegar on your microfiber cloth and clean the top of the faucet. A lot of water builds up right there, and vinegar always does so good with this, especially if you have a spout on a sink. You can soak it in vinegar for like 20 minutes to an hour, and it really does wonders on your faucet heads. We're also going to be scrubbing with a little scrub brush, and I am going to be wiping down the cabinets. I could not believe how much dander was built up in this bathroom. I really will never let it get this bad again. I don't know. Back to school and busy mom life, I never realized how much I neglected this space because it's used so often. But we have it nice and refreshed, and I'm so glad you guys got the motivation from this video so far. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. I also am going to be doing some insane organization in our office space. This was filmed a separate day, but I wanted to include this in the video to give you that motivation if you work from home and you have an office that you need to clean, organize, and get together.
Your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it.
I'm going to be removing things from the office that just need to be taken off, going through what's actually placed here. Sometimes when we're busy, we just set things in places where they don't go, but I'm going to wipe down and disinfect all of these spaces. It's so silly having these nightstands stacked like this, but I had these here because my toddler likes to carry them and use it as a standing stool, which is so silly. So I put them up here figuring she wouldn't grab them, and she hasn't, surprisingly, but I wanted to clear off the office because it just looked too cluttered. So we're going to be moving that around and finding it a special place. This was also before we did the cleaning of the dresser in a previous video, so you may see that in the background. Obviously, we don't have that dresser no more because this was filmed prior in time. I'm just going to be cleaning off all surfaces.
It's worth it. We're gold inside the rust, so I know you feel it. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream.
I'm going to be removing the filing cabinet underneath the desk, vacuuming and cleaning up the space, as well as removing the lamp as well. I want this space to be vacuumed and cleaned before we organize it and get it all in order. I absolutely love these two items. They were from Amazon and they were such a good price, surprisingly, for a desk and a filing cabinet. The filing cabinet system actually has like 2 other pieces that you can purchase separately. I really want to get them. I haven't yet though because I don't know exactly where we would put them. Who else loves a freshly vacuumed house?
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
What do you like to do when you're cleaning? I love to watch other motivational, inspiring moms on YouTube, or I like to listen to music or my praise and worship. I also am going to be going in with the EVO screen cleaner spray. I found this on Amazon and it works so good for your screens, your TVs, your electronics. A little goes a long way, and it comes with this microfiber cloth. It's such a really great product and I'm really happy with it so far. If you've tried it, let me know.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time.
Moving to the inside of the filing cabinet drawers, I'm going to be using a microfiber cloth just to dust any dander that could have gotten here. I'm also going to be adding in some really cool little organizers for pencils, pens, highlighters, and anything that we use at our office at the moment. I will be baby locking this drawer because if you have toddlers like me, they cannot be trusted.
I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever been.
I'm going to adjust the sizing of the file cabinet. This is really cool. Depending on your file cabinet size, you can adjust it with this, and I thought that was a really cool feature, figuring it was such a good price for this filing cabinet.
So wired, it's 4 a.m. I'm not even tired. We're in your car. We can drive away. Oh yeah. We're all
I want to show you guys 2 books I use all the time. First is my budget book, and this is so good if you do finances or expenses, have goals, things like that. Especially, I just love writing things down. I know you could use your phone, but writing things down just is a staple for me. Next, I want to show you this really cool 100-day devotional that a subscriber sent to me, Dana. Thank you so much. I love this. I use it almost every day. And going on to the nightstand, this is how it turned out. And obviously my little Alexa is a really great camera lady for me when I'm watching the girls in the playroom. However, this is how everything looks. The plants are from IKEA. The sign is from Target Dollar Spot, and everything else is from Amazon, you guys, even these little nightstands. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you motivation to clean, declutter, organize, and just do something in your home today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you next week in a new cleaning video. Bye.